Hi, lovelies. Welcome back. Today, I share with you this delicious pineapple fried rice recipe that tasted super delicious. Honestly, try out this recipe and you will never stop asking for more. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified anytime, any day a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you all. I appreciate you guys. So, guys, join me and let me show you how I prepare this delicious recipe. Let's get started. We are going to be needing one ripe pineapple just the way you are seeing here. Okay, make sure to wash the pineapple properly using your sponge or white vinegar just the way you saw me doing here. Okay,
Yourself, my brother, whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you dey. Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they put call we active.
at this point, I'm done washing the pineapple. Now go ahead and dry it up using your paper towel. Okay. We will be using the pineapple skin for the plating, so I will carefully cut out the flesh from the skin of the pineapple by making some incisions. Then gently scoop out with a spoon to form a bowl.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you dey. Mira's kitchen day for you.
At this point, we are done. The plate is ready. Okay, so I went ahead to cut some of the pineapple into smaller parts.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Obajo don. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, my brother.
Once done, I took some of the pineapple flesh, pour into a blender, cover and blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, extract the juice out and set aside.
Kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they put call we active.
In a bowl, I added 3 cups of rice, salt, boiled water mixed to combine. Cover for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash the rice properly until the water runs clear. Okay, if this method is not for you, please skip or parboil the rice. Next, in a preheated pot, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Once done, I poured in the washed rice, okay, and give it a properly stir. After that, I added the extracted pineapple juice. This is optional, okay? Then some meat stock mixed to combine.
When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit.
Add some water to the level of the rice, okay, and stir. After that, I season it up with some salt, some season cubes, and give it a properly stir. Adjust for salt or seasonings if required, okay? Now cover the pot and allow to cook until the water dries up and the rice properly cooked. We have shrimps, okay? I've done the cleaning already. So I added some salt, little season cube, garlic powder, mix to combine. After that, set aside.
Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey.
Then here we are going to be needing some eggs. So in a bowl, I break in some eggs, season it up with just little salt and season cube, mix until everything is well combined. Now set aside. Now we are checking on the rice. Yeah, as you can see, the rice is properly cooked and the water has completely dried up. Give it a stir and set it aside. In a preheated pan, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Once the oil is done heating up, I added the shrimps and keep stirring and frying until it is properly cooked or turns golden brown. Now the shrimps is ready, set it aside. In the same frying pan, I added the week's egg. So we're going to be frying it. Once done, set it aside. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. So in a pan, I added some vegetable oil and little butter and allowed to heat up. Once done, I added some chopped onions and saute for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes now, we are going to be adding in the vegetables. I started with carrots, okay? I'll be adding and stirring.
Bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with.
I stirred it for 1 minute, then add in the paste and mix until everything is well combined.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active.
Then the sweet corn and keep mixing until everything is well combined. Season it up with some ginger and garlic paste. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Season cubes. Add some curry powder out to your taste and keep stirring. This time is stirring frequently, okay? So I added some fresh pepper, add to your taste and keep stirring for about 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes of stirring, the vegetable is done, okay? I took some out. We are not going to be mixing everything at the same time, okay? Gradually. Mixing time, the sweetest part of it. Yeah, as you can see now, I am adding some of the rice. Yeah, so I added the mixed pepper, some eggs, shrimps, soya sauce, mix,
for put call we active. As long as it concern
This is where we introduce the flesh pineapple. Okay, I added some of it and stir. So at this point, you have to be stirring frequently for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is well coated and heated through. Okay. I repeated the same process until I'm done using up the whole rice, okay? So 3 minutes later, as you can see, our pineapple fried rice is ready. So guys, it's time to serve in this special plate. This recipe is very quick and easy to prepare. Once you are done prepping, you are good to go. You can enjoy this amazing and delicious recipe with any chilled drink of your choice. Yeah, I enjoyed my with fresh pineapple juice. Honestly, this tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below or comment section. So go there, grab yours and enjoy this amazing recipe. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next one. Bye.